Hi, I'm Paul from Field Insight. I'm just going to talk a little bit about one of our problems we come across when we're talking to our customers, which is finding out when your maintenances are coming up to expire. So if you're doing a maintenance, you may be a business which you want to be proactive and get them before your maintenances expire, or you may want to get them, you might have a 3-month lead time after the maintenances expire, and you might want to wait. Either way, you want to know when your recurring maintenance activities, whether they're, your contracts for a year or 2 years or 18 months or whatever, you want to know when that last one is due to expire, either in the future or the past. We've got an excellent new product called the Maintenance Expiry Report, which will tell you the window. You specify the window, and it'll tell you which maintenances are expiring, and basically then you get a call list of customers to call to reactivate them, to sign them up for another contract. So that's an excellent way to generate new revenue, and people successfully following up on those maintenances are generating an extra $30,000 a month in revenue, to the point where that's $360,000 a year in revenue from just being proactive and following up in their maintenances. So yep, good luck, have a great week, and check out the Maintenance Expiry Report in Field Insight. Bye for now.